let's talk about boosting your male fashion YouTube channel views in a way that works long-term and gets you the right audience, not just random clicks. Here's a structured plan with content, strategy, and growth hacks tailored for Mr. Redefined Clothing and your male fashion niche. Number 1. Nail down your content strategy. A. Focus on searchable tutorials. Make videos on problems your audience actively searches for. How to take perfect male body measurements. Best male native styles for 2025. Mistakes to avoid when sewing men's suits. Step by step. Drafting a perfect agbada. B. Add trend-based content. Use Google Trends and YouTube search suggestions to find hot male fashion terms. Example, Burna Boy inspired outfit tutorial, 2025 wedding native styles for grooms. C. Storytelling behind the brand. People connect with you, not just your craft. Share challenges you faced in fashion. Document a day in the life as Mr. Redefined Clothing. Number 2. Optimize your videos for clicks. A. Thumbnails and titles. Use close-up shots of outfits with bright, contrasting text, big and readable. Add a human element, a model or your hands working on fabric. Make titles emotional or result-driven. Instead of sewing a suit, use the secret to sewing a perfect suit that turns heads. B. Descriptions and tags. Put main keywords in the first 2 sentences. Add timestamps so viewers can skip to what they want. Use specific hashtags like male fashion, menswear design, African menswear. Number 3. Boost engagement for the algorithm. Call to action mid-video, not just at the end. Example, pause for a second, tell me in the comments what style you want me to sew next. Pin a comment with a related video link. Reply to every comment, YouTube sees it as engagement. 4. Collaborate for cross-audience growth. Partner with other tailors, stylists, or male models on YouTube and Instagram. Offer freestyling for influencers in exchange for a video collab. Guest appearance on fashion podcasts or live streams. Number 5. Post consistently and smartly. Upload 2 to 3 videos per week, but batch record to save time. Post at peak hours for your Nigerian and global audience. YouTube analytics will show you when your viewers are online. Keep videos between 6 to 12 minutes for tutorial content, long enough to satisfy watch time, but not boring. Number 6. Push your content off YouTube. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Short clips from your tutorials with a call to action to watch the full video on YouTube. Pinterest. Surprisingly strong for fashion. Post images from your designs linking to the video. WhatsApp status and Facebook groups. Share your YouTube link with catchy captions. Number 7. Track and adjust. Check YouTube analytics. Reach tab to see your click-through rate, CTR. If CTR is low, tweak your thumbnail's titles. If watch time is low, improve your hook in the first 15 seconds. I can also give you a ready-to-use 30-day video idea calendar specifically for Mr. Redefined Clothing, so you post strategically and grow faster. Would you like me to prepare that next? Perfect. Here's a 30-day YouTube video content calendar for Mr. Redefined Clothing that's designed to increase male fashion views, keep your audience hooked, and attract new viewers. I've mixed tutorials, trends, storytelling, and engagement boosters, so you don't just get clicks, you build loyal fans. 30-day Mr. Redefined Clothing YouTube Growth Calendar. Week 1. Build authority and trust. Skill-focused. 1. How to take accurate male body measurements, no mistakes. 2. Sewing a perfect male native shirt, step by step. 3. Male fashion mistakes that make you look cheap. 4. How to draft a male trouser pattern for beginners. 5. Secrets to sewing a sharp agbada like a pro. Week 2. Tap into trends and engagement. Search traffic plus comments. 6. 2025 Top 10 Native Styles for Men, trend video. 7. Reacting to your male fashion designs, subscribers edition. 8. How to turn old clothes into modern men's outfits, DIY transformation. 9. Burna Boy inspired agbada tutorial, celebrity inspired. 10. Live Q&A, ask me anything about male fashion. Week 3, storytelling and behind the scenes, connect with audience. 11. My journey from local tailor to global fashion brand, story time. 12. A day in the life of a Nigerian male fashion designer. 13. How I designed for my first celebrity client. 14. Tour of my fashion workshop tools I use. 15. Biggest challenges I faced as a male fashion designer. Week 4. Advanced tutorials and conversion. Keep serious learners hooked. 16. Drafting a one-button notched collar suit. Full process. 17. How to get perfect stitching on male suits every time. 18. Secrets of professional suit lining. 19. How to market your fashion brand without paying for ads. How to price male native wears for profit. Extra 10 bonus videos to fill days and boost growth. 21. Latest senator wear styles for Grooms 2025 Style Lookbook. 22. 3 quick fixes for trouser waist issues DIY hack. 23. Why your clients don't return and how to keep them. 24. Ultimate guide to choosing fabric for male outfits. 25. How to sew a perfect kaftan without struggle. 26. Best accessories for African men's native styles. 27. Sew along with me, real-time male shirt making. Interactive. 28. Reacting to male fashion in Nollywood movies. Fun content. 29. How to spot fake cashmere fabrics before buying. Value content. 30. Thank you 10K subscriber special, giveaway and surprises. Pro posting tips for this calendar. Post Monday, Wednesday, Saturday for steady audience rhythm. Batch record 3 to 5 videos in one day to avoid burnout. Use search-friendly titles, emotional hooks. I can make these high CTR for each video. Reuse clips from these videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels to drive traffic back to YouTube. If you want, I can now turn all 30 of these into high CTR YouTube titles, descriptions, and hashtags, so you can literally copy-paste and upload with confidence. Would you like me to make that full upload-ready list next?